Hey there! So at work, I encountered a tricky problem involving parsing file names that didn't follow a consistent pattern. After struggling to come up with a pure regex solution, I ended up resorting to some string splits combined with regex applied to the split parts. It did the job, but left me wanting to delve back into it and learn a better way, hence the current problem we're tackling. Now, let's dive into the solution for this parsing conundrum. The key lies in crafting a regex pattern that addresses the specific requirements of the file names. The provided regex pattern starts by matching repeating word characters without an underscore in the name part. It cleverly repeats this match by either a dash or underscore that is not directly followed by an optional v, digits in a period. This ensures a clean separation between the name and version components. The pattern then captures the version part, which consists of digits and optional periods. Finally, it ends by matching the file extension. This comprehensive regex pattern effectively solves the problem of inconsistent file name parsing. To wrap it all up, we've successfully delved into the intricacies of regex to tackle the challenge of parsing file names with varying patterns. By breaking down the regex pattern and understanding its components, we've arrived at a reliable solution. Hopefully, this exploration serves as a valuable learning experience and equips you with new regex skills for future tasks. Remember, regex may seem complex, but with practice, you'll be mastering it like a pro in no time. So, with that said, good luck with your regex adventures, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay regexing and stay awesome!